Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I will share amazing logo design with mockup tutorial. So this is the name of the brand, and I want to make a monogram logo with this C and D, and this is the color palette. So my idea is now go to element, go to shape, and then I will use this arch down. I will rotate it 90 degrees as the C, and then crop it like this. And now I will duplicate it and rotate 90 degrees to the right. And I will make it like this. And then I will change this C shape with this color hex code. I will copy it and then click here and click color button and click here and paste here. Okay. As I search a symbol of creativity, I found that one of them is pencil. So I will create a shape of pencil here. Go to element and go to shape. I will choose this triangle. I will rotate 90 degrees. I will place it here and then I will add a square. I will place it here. All right. And then I will add this shape. Duplicate. I will place it here and increase the size. Okay, now I will select this all and change the color to white. I will group them and reduce the size and place it here. So now we have a C and D and the symbol of creativity, which is the pencil. And then I will add the name of this brand. I will place it here. I will increase the size so it has same width with the logo. Okay, and I will change the color. This part I will make it this purple, and this part I will make it this red. Now I will select them all. I'll place it here, and then I will download selection, transparent background, and download. And then I will place it here, upload it and place it here. This is the PNG, and I will duplicate it, and then I will go to edit. I will go to mockup, and then I will scroll to packaging. For example, I will choose this one. Okay, I will increase the size and place it here. And then for this one, I will use also packaging. I will use this one. I will change the, and then I will reduce the size and place it here. I will change the color, for example, to black. Apply changes. So now we have it, a logo with mockup. See you next video and have fun with Canva.